Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're actually going to be unboxing a Nintendo Switch. My sister and my mom got one and I decided I wanted to get one too, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. To start off, the box opens kind of different. You open it from the bottom. Once that's open, you flip it back over and then you lift it up, open. Right here is a little lift tab, so you lift that out. Just gonna set this aside. You're given an HDMI cable from Nintendo, a power brick. By the way, I should mention this is a USB-C to power. You have your warranty information and how to set it up. In here, you're also given a switch. It's for these actual controllers. They slide onto here and you can use it like this if you're playing with your Switch on the TV. And then you're also given these attach to the actual Switch controllers. That way they don't fall off your hand if you're doing any activities where your arms are moving. The last thing in the box is going to be the actual stand. So this stand, you actually set up and you charge your Switch on here. And then in the back of the stand, you actually connect your power adapter, USB, and the HDMI out. So it's pretty cool. So we have our controllers. We have the Switch itself. There's nothing else in the box. Alright, let's get this out of the wrapper. Sliding it out of the wrapper. You see it there. Getting these off as well. Alright, perfect. So these are all out of their wrapper. And then these actually just slide onto the sides. And they'll click into place once they're fully where they're supposed to be. And that's that. From there, there's a power button, so you'll power it on. And you'll have to go through the setup process. One thing I do want to mention that some people may not know is there is a kickstand here on the bottom. It may be difficult for some people to open it, but if you run your finger along the bottom, you'll be able to pop it open, and there's actually a micro SD card slot here if you wanted to upgrade the memory, and at the same time it works as a stand so you can stand your Nintendo Switch up. When you're ready to charge your device, you simply just put it on its charging cradle. That's all you do, and it starts charging. There's a little port at the bottom that actually connects once you slide it into its cradle. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more, and I hope to see you in the next one.